Tonight, a major development in artificial intelligence is making headlines and capturing the attention of the entire tech world. The news is sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley as industry insiders scramble to assess what this means for the future of AI. OpenAI has just announced the hiring of Mike Liberatore as its new business finance officer, a move that underscores the fierce competition and high stakes in the rapidly evolving tech industry. Liberatore's first day at OpenAI marks a pivotal moment as he steps into his new role directly from xAI, Elon Musk's ambitious AI startup, bringing with him a wealth of experience and insider knowledge. This high-profile transition from xAI to OpenAI highlights just how intense the race for AI dominance has become, with top talent now at the center of the battle. It's more than a simple job change. It's a strategic chess move in a high-stakes contest between tech giants, where every executive hire can tip the balance of power. OpenAI's decision to bring in Liberatore signals its intent to strengthen its financial structure and leadership team as it evolves into a global commercial powerhouse, ready to take on new challenges. With Liberatore's impressive background in finance and tech, OpenAI is preparing for major expansion, bigger deals, more complex partnerships, and possibly even an initial public offering in the near future. The move reflects the maturing AI industry, where companies are no longer just competing on technology, but also on their ability to attract and retain top executive talent to turn groundbreaking innovation into sustainable business growth. Liberatore's decision to join OpenAI is a strong vote of confidence in the company's vision, leadership, and its ambitious plans for the future of artificial intelligence. It also intensifies the rivalry between OpenAI and xAI, adding a new layer of intrigue and competition to the ongoing battle that is shaping the future of AI technology and its impact on society. This is a story of ambition, strategy, and the relentless pursuit of AI leadership, a race that will define not just the tech industry, but the world we live in for years to come. Who is Mike Liberatore? He's a seasoned finance expert with a track record of guiding tech companies through explosive growth. Liberatore has managed finances for some of the biggest names in the digital economy, building and scaling operations for companies on the brink of transformation. He's known for orchestrating multi-billion-dollar funding rounds and preparing startups for IPOs. Colleagues describe him as a meticulous strategist, able to balance big-picture vision with critical financial details. His expertise in building robust financial systems is especially valuable as AI companies seek to monetize their technologies globally. Liberatore brings financial discipline to fast-moving, creative environments, a skill now in high demand at OpenAI. His arrival signals OpenAI's intent to build a financially robust, enduring enterprise that can lead the AI revolution. The tech world will be watching his next chapter closely. To understand Liberatore's impact, look at his journey through tech's biggest players. He held senior finance roles at PayPal and eBay, helping build the financial backbone of the e-commerce revolution. These roles taught him to manage global transactions, financial risk, and sustainable growth. Liberatore then spent nearly a decade at Airbnb, guiding the company through its most explosive growth and its IPO. At Airbnb, he built financial systems for a complex global marketplace, experience directly relevant to OpenAI's ambitions. His career is a masterclass in scaling tech platforms and preparing them for global impact. Now, he brings this expertise to OpenAI as it commercializes its technology. Liberatore's most recent role was as CFO at xAI, Elon Musk's ambitious AI startup. He joined in spring 2025, tasked with securing massive funding for xAI's bold vision. In just 3 months, he was at the center of efforts to raise billions for advanced AI research. His job turned Musk's vision into a compelling financial plan for top investors. But his tenure was brief. He left after only 3 months amid internal turbulence and high-profile exits. The reasons remain unclear, but his departure and move to OpenAI add drama to the AI talent wars. Liberatore's insider knowledge of xAI's strategy is now an asset for OpenAI. His transition is more than a job change. It's a strategic intelligence gain. Liberatore's hiring can't be separated from the high-stakes rivalry between OpenAI's Sam Altman and xAI's Elon Musk. Their competition is shaping not just the future of their companies, but the entire landscape of artificial intelligence. Once close allies and collaborators, Musk and Altman are now fierce competitors, each determined to lead the next era of AI innovation. Their visions for the future of artificial intelligence are fundamentally different, and both are racing to set the global agenda. Musk, a former OpenAI co-founder, left after disagreements over the company's direction. Since then, he has become one of OpenAI's most vocal critics, especially targeting its shift to a for-profit model and its deepening partnership with Microsoft, which he argues could compromise the original mission. Altman, on the other hand, defends OpenAI's evolution, emphasizing the immense resources required to develop safe, beneficial AI. He insists that partnerships and funding are necessary to stay ahead in the rapidly advancing field and to ensure responsible development. Their feud has played out in the public eye, with pointed comments, social media jabs, and headline-grabbing interviews, fueling a dramatic narrative that has captivated the tech world and beyond. Musk's launch of xAI was a direct challenge to OpenAI's dominance, signaling his intent to build an alternative vision for artificial intelligence, one that he claims will be more transparent and aligned with humanity's interests. Liberatore's move from Musk's camp to Altman's is both a symbolic and strategic win for OpenAI, highlighting the fierce competition for top talent in the industry and the shifting allegiances among AI's brightest minds. It sends a powerful message to the industry. OpenAI is not just a leader in technology, but also the destination for those who want to shape the future of AI at the highest level. This high-profile personnel shift adds a new personal chapter to the ongoing Altman-Musk saga, making the rivalry even more compelling and unpredictable. As the stakes rise and the competition intensifies, the world is watching to see who will define the next chapter of artificial intelligence. The OpenAI xAI rivalry is about more than technology. It's a high-stakes financial arms race. Both companies are raising and deploying staggering amounts of capital to fuel AI development. OpenAI's recent share sale valued it at $500 billion, making it one of the world's most valuable private companies. This valuation is backed by major investments and the belief that OpenAI will reshape industries. Meanwhile, xAI, though younger, sought a $200 billion valuation under Musk's leadership. Investors are betting big on both companies' potential to lead the AI era. Liberatore's role at xAI was to secure billions in funding. At OpenAI, he must now manage and justify vast resources. His experience on both sides gives him unique insight into the financial realities of AI. The stakes are enormous, and every financial move matters. Liberatore is now at the center of this money game. OpenAI is transforming from a research lab into a global commercial powerhouse, reshaping the landscape of artificial intelligence and technology innovation. This shift marks a pivotal moment not just for the company, but for the entire industry, as AI becomes increasingly central to business and society. The hiring of Liberatore signals a commitment to sophisticated business and financial strategy, bringing in leadership with a proven track record in navigating complex financial environments and scaling organizations. A cornerstone of OpenAI's growth is its deep partnership with Microsoft, which has invested billions and provides critical cloud resources. This collaboration gives OpenAI the technological backbone it needs to innovate at scale and reach new markets. In return, Microsoft integrates OpenAI's models into its products, deepening their collaboration and creating new opportunities for both companies to lead in AI-driven solutions. Liberatore will play a key role in managing this vital relationship and ensuring it remains financially beneficial, while also fostering trust and alignment between the two organizations. OpenAI is also attracting major investments from global players like SoftBank, giving it the capital to accelerate research and expansion. These investments signal strong confidence in OpenAI's vision and its ability to deliver transformative technologies. But with more capital comes more pressure to deliver returns, as investors expect both innovation and financial performance in a highly competitive market. Liberatore must balance OpenAI's long-term mission to advance artificial intelligence for the benefit of humanity with immediate commercial demands and the expectations of powerful stakeholders. His experience in both public and startup environments is crucial, as OpenAI faces complex financial challenges, from scaling operations to managing global partnerships and regulatory requirements. He's tasked with building a financial organization that can support OpenAI's rapid growth and global ambitions, ensuring the company remains agile, resilient, and ready for the future of AI. The timing of Liberatore's hiring is no accident. OpenAI's scale and complexity now demand a world-class financial architect. The company faces massive expenses for computing power, talent, and global operations. Liberatore will design financial systems to manage these costs and ensure sustainable growth. As OpenAI strikes enterprise deals and expands globally, it needs robust processes for contracts, billing, and compliance. His experience at Airbnb and eBay positions him to build the foundation for OpenAI's next phase. Speculation is growing about a potential IPO, and Liberatore's background makes him the ideal leader to prepare for such a milestone. An IPO would unlock new capital and reward employees and investors. Liberatore is laying the groundwork for OpenAI's financial future. OpenAI's hiring of Liberatore is a move that will ripple across the AI industry. It marks the shift from pure research to building sustainable, profitable businesses. The battle for AI leadership is now fought in the boardroom as much as the lab. The talent war has expanded to include elite business executives, not just engineers. Liberatore's move shows that top executives can reshape the competitive landscape. His presence boosts investor confidence in OpenAI's ability to deliver on its commercial promises. This sets a new standard for financial leadership in AI startups. The future belongs to companies that merge innovation with sound business execution. OpenAI's strategic hire ensures it has the financial leadership to win the long-term race. This move sets a new benchmark for building enduring companies in the age of AI.